Six Shooter Texan here. We're in Uvalde, Texas today. We are out here at JH Ranch. It's good friends of mine, John and Jerrison Harridge. They invited me out here to do a doe hunt for them and using my air rifle. So I graciously accepted. Wasn't much to not accept it, but anyway, we going to be doing a little videos out here. And I'm gonna put in a link to Jerrison's Facebook page. It's called Crazy Bone Hunting. Y'all can check that out. I'll put that in a link in the bottom. Sinus is bothering me a little bit this morning, but Jerrison, he's a biologist. He's got a degree in biology, and he's been managing these deer for about, I don't know, 17 years or so. So he's really gotten a good population of deer out here, good quality deer now. But I'm only going to be shooting does, so we'll get out here and go to hunting here and see what we can come up with. Let's find her again. Hang on, Ray. I'm not trying to shoot yet. She's around the middle. Let's get this again. Give me all the fucking skin. This one gets closer. I'm just here for the does. Just the does.
First doe with my air rifle. She was at about 80 yards. Hit her in the top of the neck. She ran about 50 yards and dropped. And gun did its job. So, and I'm proud of this gun because I built it from scratch myself. Casted the bullets and everything. Took God's creature to nourish my body, my family. And I want to thank him.
Alright, well, as you've seen in the video, we had a good hunt. Got me a doe. And I might have got a little emotional, but when you take something, it's in your head, put it on paper, make the parts for it, make it work and everything, and then come out here and harvest an animal with it, it just gets to me. So it's just the way it is. But we're gonna be heading back home here in a little while, so we just want to thank Jerrison. He's a good guy, guiding me around out here. John, he's been a good friend of mine for almost 30 years now, so we really appreciate him coming out. And y'all need to check out Crazy Bone Hunting and his channel. So thanks for watching.